Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. Today is April 5th, 2019. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. Right now, we had the non-farm payroll report just released, 196,000 new jobs. So that was better than expected. You're going to see the S&P 500 E-minis trading up by about 8 points right now to 28.90.5 per contract. All in all, we'll see if this market continues to be in rally mode each and every day. It pretty much holds up very, very well. Yesterday we had a mixed session. We'll see what today gives. We don't have a lot of earnings in play, but we got a lot of stocks to talk about, so let's get through them. Next week we start earnings season with JP Morgan next Friday, and then after that it's full on earnings season, so get ready. We'll get lots of fireworks out here then. But in the meantime, let's talk about stocks in the news. Duluth LTH trading down today. This stock reported earnings last night after the closing bell, closed at $23.54, now trading at $18.70. Now, this is a light volume name, meaning rarely does it trade a million shares, so there's really not a lot I would do with it. But I would get interested in around the 1638 level, 1640, somewhere down there could be a decent. Next up, let's take a look at BOOT, which is Boot Barn. This is getting, I believe, joined the S&P 600 small cap. So this is getting a nice pop today, trading at $31.59. Stock closed at $29.60. Again, Boot Barn joining the S&P 600 small cap. We have ACB, which is Aurora Cannabis, in play. Nice little pop there for this marijuana name. Looks like they were selected as one of 3 winners to distribute medical cannabis in Germany. So good little pop there. Stock was trading at around $8.95 yesterday at the close, now trading at $9.30. Let's take a look at Bed Bath & Beyond, BBBY, 3 B's and a Y. Stock is trading at $18.17 right now, closed at $17.59. That's a good bingo. That's a nice little pop there for that name. Looks like that's on the back of an upgrade by Morgan Stanley. So that is catching a nice little bid. I think it's a little bit long in the tooth here. It might have a little bit more upside to go. Sometimes when Morgan Stanley upgrades things, they get a bigger pop. Sometimes when they downgrade things, they get a bigger drop. So again, Bed Bath & Beyond getting a nice little pop today on an upgrade by Morgan Stanley. Let's take a look at SAM, which is Boston Beer, or Sam Adams as you know it. Stock right now getting downgraded today by Goldman Sachs, trading at around 271, closed at 284. I think there's still a fair amount of support down here at around 268 or so. I don't love the name. It's a light volume stock. Generally trades about 100,000, 150,000 a day. Really not my cup of tea. I like more liquid names that trade a million shares or more. But Sam Adams downgraded today, and I think you do have support around the 268, 265 level, somewhere there. Let's take a look at Constellation Brands, STZ, since we're sticking with wine and spirits here. The stock right now trading at $190, closed at $191.45. Looks like got a downgrade by Deutsche Bank here. This stock had a monster move yesterday on the back of earnings. So to see a little bit of a pullback or so would not be surprising after a big move. But great move yesterday in Constellation Brands. Today it's being downgraded. Another one I believe that is being upgraded today is VIAB. This has already had a really good move. I really don't love this upgrade here, but nonetheless, you know how it is. When stocks make big moves, they get upgrades. That's kind of how these analysts do it. They never upgrade them down here at the lows. What you're going to see here is stock closed at $29.27. Right now, if you take a look at Viacom, now trading up around the $30 level. So you're going to run into a lot of headwinds here. 32 is probably very good resistance and possibly a fade play on Viacom if it does get to 32. I'm not sure it'll even get up that high. So we'll see how that plays out. Let's shift gears here a little bit. Let's go over to the gold market. What you're going to see here for gold futures, trading down about $2.80 right now, $1,291.80 an ounce. All in all, if you take a look at the GLD this morning, you'll see that's trading at right around 120, 151. Again, the GLD is a good ETF to track the movement in gold. Then we have crude oil today trading higher by 10 cents to $62.19 a barrel. Oil's been holding up pretty well. You'll see the USO here if you don't have a crude futures chart. Crude oil trading at $12.92 on the USO. So all in all, oil up a touch, gold down a touch. We're not going to make too much out of it. Once again, if you haven't done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. Excellent day yesterday again. And again, 2019 has been a pretty awesome year so far. So if you haven't done so and you want to come over and trade alongside of us, come take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. And you could trade right along with us. With that being said, I'm going to leave it here short and sweet. Have a great, great trading day, and we'll see you a little bit later on the charts.